Every rider thinks it won't happen to them until it does. These crashes in close cars aren't just accidents, but decisions that were made that led to these situations. Watch, learn from these incidents, and make sure this doesn't happen to you. Let's check out today's chaos. This newer rider looked away for a split second, was overconfident, and that one mistake cost him big time. Of course, it's not always the rider's fault. There's also just a lot of bad drivers out there. Everybody has an opinion on how to stop a speed wobble. This rider decided to let go of the bars, and this happened.
I need whoever the f***'s inside the camera, watching and listening to understand. It is...
Luckily, the rider is doing okay, but target fixation and coming in too fast on the curve is the most likely cause for this crash. Lane splitting is always risky, but when you have a ton of other riders also lane splitting, it just makes it that much more dangerous. Now, if you guys notice, this biker is extremely lucky that he didn't go over the wall, because that is not something you can just walk away from.
Damn it. Oh, damn.
This is why it's important to slow down, because entering turns way too fast can have some serious consequences.
How are you doing? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
As you know, there's always bad drivers everywhere, so if you ride, you gotta keep a lookout for these type of idiots.
Hijo de la p***, no mames. Casi me atropella un ovni. Hashtag mala suerte 1000, o sea, que pedo.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
What's your problem? What is your problem?
People just want to complain for no apparent reason. This driver was upset just because the rider passed him. He wasn't riding fast. He didn't put him in danger. He simply passed him on his bike. And that was enough to set him off.
You ain't gonna do jack shit.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned from these incidents. Let me know in the comments what you thought about today's video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.